This is a story of a bull and fire. On the vast expanse of grassland, a herd of black Angus cows grazes peacefully. Among them, a pregnant cow is about to give birth. The arrival of the calf, whom they named Black Horn, punctuated the serenity of the morning. Cared for tenderly by his mother, Black Horn gradually grew stronger. However, he was unlike the others in the herd. Preferring solitude, he often played alone in the fields, his heart full of curiosity and a desire to explore. Black Horn made a determined decision. The tranquil and serene grasslands, once his home, were now insufficient. Breaking free from the familiar restraints, Black Horn turned its gaze to the bustling human market. Every step was firm and steady, revealing unwavering determination. When Black Horn appeared in the lively and flourishing market, a wave of shock surged among the crowd. Their faces filled with fear, people started to scatter in all directions. Black Horn, with its intimidating and grand presence, charged into the market. Stalls collapsed, goods scattered, chaos ensued. Caught in excitement and confusion, Black Horn nearly barreled into the crowd. Just at this critical moment, a figure darted out from the chaotic scene, the owner of a night market stall. Seeing the situation, he stepped in to stop Black Horn, providing a temporary relief to the terrified crowd. A fierce battle was about to ensue. Gathering his strength, the stall owner engaged in a tense tug-of-war with Black Horn, a battle of wills echoing through the silent market. Despite his muscles screaming in protest, he held on, his determination unwavering. Then, in a defining moment, Black Horn faltered. Seizing the opportunity, the stall owner made a final, decisive pull. Miraculously, Black Horn was tamed. The once rampant creature now stood subdued, a testament to the stall owner's sheer determination and strength.
Deciding to slaughter Black Horn, the stall owner expertly prepared its body. The aroma of the cooking fresh beef was tantalizing, capturing the interest of many patrons. He swiftly crafted mouth-watering beef dishes, earning accolades from customers for this surprise treat. As the night market's lights flickered in the gathering darkness, the stall owner, observing his gratified customers, felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Looking towards the distant grasslands, his heart swelled with respect for Black Horn. When the market finally closed, he packed up his stall, profoundly touched by the day's events. Black Horn's story, forever etched in the hearts of those who savored its meat.